Turning your engine 11J396. Turning good. The front engine looks good, as you can see. Altimeter looked nice, but socket was broken. And on this side, everything's good. Looks well on the starter. You don't see any damage. Same as well like on the gearbox. And on this side, engines looks good. All windows without water inside. And on the top, all connectors look good. On the bottom, no cracks, no leaks. Compressor without any damage. Have computer engines on this engine, and turning your engine 11J396.